Hey pet lovers, today we're checking out one of the most comfortable and durable dog beds on the market, the Bedsure XXL Orthopedic Dog Bed for extra large dogs. If you've got a big buddy who deserves the best rest, this one's for you. Show a large dog lying down comfortably. Design and size. This model is 52 inches long, ideal for extra large dogs like German Shepherds, Great Danes, Labradors, and Golden Retrievers. The sofa-style design with bolstered sides gives pets a cozy sense of security while supporting their head and neck. The brown fabric blends beautifully with any home decor, stylish and practical. Comfort and support. Built with high-density orthopedic memory foam, it cushions pressure points and provides joint pain relief for older or large dogs. Perfect for pets with arthritis, hip dysplasia, or recovering from surgery. The egg crate foam structure enhances airflow and distributes body weight evenly, preventing bed flattening over time. Pause. Pan close-up of foam layers. Durability and protection. Features a 100% waterproof liner, so no worries about spills, drool, or accidents. The removable zippered cover is machine-washable for easy cleaning. Non-skid bottom prevents sliding on tile or hardwood floors, ideal for active pets. Practical features. Removable bolsters make washing easy. Pet-safe materials, certified free from harmful substances. The cover fabric is both soft and durable, made to resist tearing and frequent washing. Who it's for: owners of giant breeds or multiple pets, senior dogs needing orthopedic support, pet parents who want a stylish, easy-to-clean bed that lasts. Why it's worth it. 1. Thick orthopedic foam prevents joint stress. 2. Waterproof liner for total protection. 3. Bolstered edges mimic a sofa for comfort. 4. Nonskid base ensures stability. 5. Easy care removable and washable cover. I've tested plenty of pet beds, but the Bedsure XXL orthopedic bed stands out. It's spacious, supportive, and actually holds its shape. If your furry friend deserves luxury-level comfort, this is it. The Bedsure XXL Orthopedic Dog Bed combines orthopedic support, waterproof protection, and a washable cover into one premium design. Grab yours today, buy on Amazon using the link below, and give your pet the sleep they truly deserve. Hey pet lovers!